Storm gets stronger and stronger offshore. The winds will really start to boost up, and that's why we have high wind warnings along the East Coast. And as you look inland, we have wind advisories out. These are going into effect as we head through the overnight hours. And what we're looking at here is it going from tomorrow morning till about 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Northwesterly winds getting very gusty inland, but really strong toward the Cape, where we could see wind gusts of 65 miles per hour. And because of that heavy wet snow, it's weighing down those tree limbs, so the power outages when that wind picks up are going to be pretty predominant across the area. When is that going to happen? About 4 in the morning, the winds really start to ramp up. And as we head towards the high tide during the afternoon, you can see the winds are gusting 45 to 50 miles per hour. One fortunate thing is the winds are out of the northwest. So we do have a coastal flood warning around the time of high tide, around 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. To the north, the only area we're really concerned about is Newburyport. Could be some moderate flooding because of the surge and wave action there. But I think the biggest concern is from Sandwich over to Eastham, where we can see some moderate to perhaps even minor major flooding as the surge is about 3 feet, waves 14 to 16 feet. And it looks like some of the roadways there could be covered with as much as 4 feet of water right near the shoreline. So as that wind ramps up, the ocean is getting churned up as well.